In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an indicator in Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring popular tools like RSI or MACD onto your chart, and how to confirm they're applied correctly so you can start using them right away. Start by opening Thinkorswim and navigating to a chart for the symbol you want to analyze. Make sure you're on the correct symbol and time frame so the indicator displays in the context you care about. If you're switching symbols frequently, take a quick second to confirm the symbol box shows the one you intend to use. This helps avoid confusion when you're checking your results later. At the top of the chart, look for the Studies button. It looks like a small laboratory beaker. Click that button to open a menu. From the drop-down that appears, choose Edit Studies. This opens the Edit Studies and Strategies window where all indicator management happens. Inside this window, focus on the search box located at the top left. Click into it and start typing the name of the indicator you want. You can type common names like RSI or MACD or any other supported study. You don't need to type the whole name. Partial names usually work, and capitalization doesn't matter. As you type, the list below will filter to match your search. When you see the indicator you want in the results, click its name to select it. Then click Add Selected. If you prefer, you can simply double-click the indicator name to add it to your chart. You'll notice it appear in the list on the right side of the window, which represents the studies currently attached to your chart. That's your confirmation that it's been staged for use. Next, click Apply. This is important because Apply shows you the change on the chart while keeping the window open, which lets you visually confirm that the indicator is rendering where you expect. After you see it appear on the chart, click OK to close the window and lock in the change. Apply Previews. OK finalizes and exits. If your indicator doesn't show up where you expect, double-check the symbol and time frame on the chart and confirm the name in the search box is spelled correctly. Some indicators plot in a separate lower pane, while others overlay directly on price, so a quick glance at both areas can help you spot it. That's it. You've opened the chart you want, used the Studies menu, added your chosen indicator, and confirmed it with Apply and OK. Thanks for watching, and enjoy analyzing your charts with your newly added indicator.